European Youth Forum for Road Safety was organized this year. It was the fourth edition of this forum. And we think at the level of the Commission that this forum, which was created in 2008, has now to become a real partner of the Commission for the implementation of the policy orientations on road safety, which were adopted by the Commission in 2010 for the years 2011-2020. We have been working during these 2 days on 3 strategies out of 7, which we have in the document. Those 3 strategies are, in particular, education and training. The second is enforcement of rules, and in particular, the question of drinking and driving, and the question of drugs and driving. And we have been working also on safety of vulnerable road users. And for this, we have been emphasizing the problem of the safety of motorcyclists. So what we would like to do is that in 2012, this forum becomes a real partner in charge of the development of recommendations, written recommendations to the Commission on those 3 strategies. These recommendations will have to be drafted in the framework of expert groups that will meet on a regular basis. And these expert groups will work on these strategies, and they will give to the Commission, as stakeholders, they will give to the Commission written recommendations in order for the Commission to use this recommendation for the implementation of these strategies. Then we will have a 5th forum that will be organized in 2012, and this 5th forum will make and will give the conclusions of the work of the experts, and will also give new objectives to the work of the forum, based again on the strategies that we have adopted at the level of the Commission. What we want also is that the next European Road Safety Day that will be organized in Cyprus in July 2012, the Commission will organize it together with the presidency of the AU, the presidency of the AU being from July 2012 until December 2012, Cyprus. So we will have in Cyprus the European Road Safety Day. And this European Road Safety Day will be organized on the theme of young drivers and their influence on road safety. And there we will have invited Young Drivers Associations of Europe, but also Young Drivers Associations of other countries that are called the neighboring countries, Mediterranean countries or neighbors of the European Union. We will have also the national authorities in charge of road safety invited to this forum, the European Road Safety Day, and this European Road Safety Day will work also on the same themes on which this forum has been working during these 2 days, and the forum will work the next year. Education and training, drug driving and drink driving, and finally the strategy on motorcyclists' safety. So I wish good luck to this forum that I am sure will become an important stakeholder for the European Commission. Thank you.
It was a pleasure to organize this forum, this 4th edition, and well, everybody was working very well, so it was very pleasant and quite easy because all the delegates are very motivated. So for me it was just, well, it was not relaxed of course, but I know that I trust all of them. They are very motivated, they do such a good job in their own countries, and well, they work also internationally. They just want to save lives, and as this youngster's death on the road is the main cause of death amongst young drivers, among young people between 15 to 24. So we have to do something, and I think here with the sustainability of the forum we have found some strategy to keep on going and, well, make this forum live forever. The forum was dedicated to the EU policy orientations 2020. So the future for us it will be to create some kind of workshops during the year on the 7 different pillars of the EU policies orientations, and then we will be able over the decades to organize, of course, the 5th forum as well, going maybe to an assembly in Cyprus, and then having concrete implementation results, sensitizing maybe 200,000 people for the next forum. So we have plenty of ideas and concrete strategy guidelines. We know that we will meet in July, we know that we will meet in 2013, so this is already a good point. And I think we can say that all delegates have been accomplishing this mission, so mission accomplished.